How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be checking out the Forest River Wildwood FSX. This is going to be their 266BHLE floor plan. At the front here, you're going to find your pass-through storage, has your spare tire in there. And then below, you can see that this camper does have automatic jacks. Nice big windows on the campsite here, as well as a nice big awning. Going to give you lots of shade at the campsite. Below your entry door, you do have some swinging steps. Right next to that, you have your water heater, as well as a couple outlets. And then below, you can see that this camper is dual axle. You have your freshwater connection as well as your heat exhaust right here. And then you have your LP quick connect right below there. Moving to the back of the camper, you're going to find your backup camera prep at the very top, as well as your Lippert ladder backer. Now those double windows can only mean one thing. This camper does have bunks in it. At the very back corner here, you're going to see your cable outlet, as well down below you're going to have your sewer outlet connections. You also have your city water connection, black tank flush, and your 30 amp power cord. This camper does not have any slide outs. Nice big windows, and then towards the front here you're going to see the other side of your pass-through storage. At the very front of this camper, you're going to find your battery box, your propane tank, and your manual tongue jack. All right, guys, let's head in on the inside and check it out. Starting at the very front of this camper, you're going to find your queen size bed. You do have windows on either side of the bed, as well as chargers and outlets. Storage surrounding with storage beneath the mattress as well. On the left hand side here, you do have a TV backer in case you wanted to add a TV in the bedroom. Nice pocket door. And then stepping into your living room area, you have a nice L-shaped sectional. Does fold into a bed if you have a couple of extra house guests. And then across from that, you're going to find your kitchen area as well as your control panel. So this is where you're going to be controlling your awning, your lights, and you can check your tank levels as well. Nice TV backer above that, as well as plenty of storage underneath that countertop. Single basin sink in here, as well as a 3-burner cooktop with a microwave down below. Continuing with the kitchen, you have a nice oversized fridge. It is 12 volt, which is really nice to have. And then at the back of the camper, you're going to find your pantry space as well as your bunk system. Now the table that does go with the couch is underneath here, so it is easily accessible and easy to store. You do have charging ports in this bunk area as well. And then this bottom bunk is going to flip up to give you a little bit of extra storage if need be. To the right, we're going to move on to your bathroom. A nice big toilet down below, corner sink with your medicine cabinet up above, window, max air fan, pretty big shower, and then next to that, you're going to have adjustable shelves to store whatever you need. All right, guys, that is going to be your 2025 Wildwood FSX 266BHLE. Thank you so much. Have a great day. That does go with the couch is underneath here, so it is easily accessible and easy to store. You have charging ports in this bunk area.